America woke up one morning, and everything had changed. The paper dollar, once a symbol of freedom, power, and identity, was disappearing before our eyes. ATMs across the country displayed one cold, unyielding message: cash disabled. Citizens froze, confusion and anxiety spreading like wildfire. A world that had relied on cash for centuries was suddenly gone. In grocery stores, people held out bills only to hear, "We don't accept cash anymore." Cash registers disappeared, replaced by glowing biometric scanners. A woman tapped her wrist chip, and the screen lit up with a soft blue glow. Times Square's massive screens flashed, digital currency activated. The country had stepped into a new era, fast, efficient, and entirely digital. People checked their phones, bewildered. Bank apps auto-updated overnight. Digital wallets replaced cash pockets. Payments required just a touch, a scan, or even a blink of an eye. Children bought ice cream using facial recognition. Elderly citizens struggled helplessly, unsure how to navigate a system that had left physical money behind. On the streets, protests erupted. Signs rose high, "Bring back cash!" Police drones hovered above, monitoring the crowds. Families gathered at dinner tables, debating what this new reality meant. "Will the government track everything we buy?" one mother asked. "What about privacy?" another voice questioned. "Is convenience worth giving up control?" The debate raged, reflecting the uncertainty gripping the nation. Meanwhile, the digital revolution continued its relentless march. Small businesses wept as cash-based systems collapsed. Homeless communities struggled, unable to receive donations in digital-only forms. Hackers attempted to exploit the system, but AI fraud detection stopped them instantly. Society adapted in other ways. Money transfers were instant. Houses, cars, and even education payments moved seamlessly online. The country had embraced speed and efficiency, but at a hidden cost. Then, the unthinkable happened. A nationwide glitch froze digital wallets. Grocery lines stopped, stores jammed, panic spread. Screens everywhere flashed, "System error." Citizens poured into streets, shouting in fear. One mother cried, "My child needs medicine. Please, just let me pay." Emergency broadcasts urged calm. Deep inside massive AI server rooms, engineers worked frantically, rebooting the digital heartbeat of America. Slowly, lights flickered back on, systems returned, payments came online. A collective sigh of relief swept through the nation. Digital currency spread everywhere, from vending machines to schools, even veterinary clinics. Society had fully embraced the cashless world. People paid with a wave of their hand, a scan of their eye, or a tap on their wrist. Yet the glitch had revealed the fragility of a system entirely dependent on technology. Convenience came at a cost, complete dependence on networks and machines. Life adapted quickly. Teens shared viral challenges celebrating cashless transactions. Families sent money overseas instantly. Couples bought homes without stepping into a bank. Casinos, once filled with cash, became fully digital gambling rooms. Even the FBI tracked criminals through invisible digital footprints. The future was efficient, fast, and interconnected, but also vulnerable, monitored, and unforgiving. In quiet moments, citizens reflected on the world they had lost. A mother showed her child an old dollar bill, a relic from a forgotten era. People realized